Hello online video viewing world, and thank you for stopping by my portion of the web. What I am doing is doing some cable management work on the LEXA S crafted series mid-size tower computer case by NZXT. And what I've done so far is I have, if you haven't seen it, I have a couple other videos on this case, so go ahead and check those out. I have a unboxing and first look video. I have a review video. I have a video on cable sleeving the you know, those whatever they're called, you know, plug into your sorry, let me get this done here. The hard drive activity light, power switch, reset switch, and power LED. Three-part video on sleeving those cables. I have another look at the inside of this case. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just doing a little cleanup work here. I have some cable tie mounts that I spray painted black, and I used some painter's tape, folded it over on itself, you know, so it's sticky on both sides here, and stuck them on. Spray painted them, because what I found was when I was just spray painting these, they would just blow all over the place. So I taped them down, and what makes it really nice is, one, they don't blow all over the place, they're stuck right here, and when I peel them off, the backing stays on the tape, sticky part right here, so no more messing around with trying to get that little piece of whatever that is, the backing, off of there. Comes right off. And just doing a little, right now, just doing a little cable management work. I have a video on, or hope I'll have a video on the power supply that I am using in this case. It's a non-modular power supply. It's a Thermaltake, I believe, Pure Power 600 watt. Really great power supply. The good side on this power supply is there's plenty of cables. The downside of this power supply is there's a ton of cables. So basically what I'm doing is I am eliminating the 4-pin Molex. There are 5 of these on here, plus there's the floppy connector on there, which I don't have a floppy drive on this case. Apparently you can also use those for some video cards, which I don't have that style video card either. So I don't know if they're old video cards or what, but I don't use them. Thought about cutting them off, but if this goes well, then Oops. I won't have to cut them off. Check the time. Got about 4 minutes left. I also forgot about this, I also did a little, took a little pictures, some pictures of this case and put them on a little slideshow. If you like that, let me know, watch that video or picture slideshow, let me know if you like it. Either post some feedback on there or email me. My email address is in the more info. If you like that, let me know, I will do more of it. If I don't get any feedback, then I don't know if I'm going to continue to do that or not. So just let me know. And I'm going to put this on its own. Alright, so that run is done, and about a minute and a half left here. I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this other one, I'm going to about do the same thing, but maybe up in here, and plug everything, all the fans. I might do got a couple ideas for a terminal block for some fans. I don't know if I'm going to have this case or not by then. This is a really good case. This is probably one of my favorite cases so far that I've had to work with. The only thing I wish there was a little bit more room on the back side of the motherboard tray. They could just maybe give us an inch instead of whatever is back here. So if there's any manufacturers of computer cases, not the high-end computer cases, but the mid-range computer case, price case, is give us a little bit more room back here. You provide these cutouts already in the motherboard tray. Give us a little bit more room. So the average person, has a little bit extra more room back here. Alright, and there is the buzzer. I am just about out of time here. So thank you for watching, and remember to click on that yellow button up there that says subscribe. It's free. I'm going to have more videos to follow. As you can see, I'm not quite done here with this. So there's going to be a follow-up video on this build, and I'll have future videos. So thank you for watching, and more to come.